Now, on your own, you are going to be adding bootstrap styling to 4 of the templates: new topic, new entry, edit entry, and register. So what I did was uh, I like this block page header, so I incorporated that into all of them. So you will kind of take the features that you like and incorporate those. So there's not really a right or wrong way to do this as long as you have done some type of bootstrap styling in these different pages. If you like the Jumbotron, go ahead and incorporate that. So in new topic, you can see I just pretty much added the little page header. And for new entry, I kind of did the same thing. So if we go out and take a look, add a new topic, origami. All right. And then add a new entry. Okay, so this is how that looks. Let's see. And how to make a swan. And so I've got the new topic, the new entry. I still need to do edit entry. Okay, so this is the old one still. And you can see that the size of the text here is smaller. So let me go into that one. So you can see these are all kind of similar. So all I really am doing is copying this little block for the page header and then taking that title text and kind of cutting it and pasting it. And getting rid of the old one. All right, so I'm going to save it. If you don't want this here, you could remove it, or if you maybe wanted to see what a display looked like, you could change it. Oh, it'd be class equal. Of course, you have to be able to spell. And let me save. So this is edit entry. And let's, yeah, way too big. Not liking that at all. At least you know. Let me see. Why don't we try that? Okay, well, now it's actually too small. Perhaps this one will be just right. No. All right, I'm going to try one more and then I'm just going to give up and get rid of it. Okay, we'll just live with it like that. And then maybe I'll do a color on it. Oh, not BG. We want text. All right. Alrighty, so that is now changed as well. All I have left to change is register. That should be under users. And this is set up similar too. So I'm just going to take this, copy. We're going to call it registration. Let's see if we like that in there. So here we have a form. So we would do class equals form. And I'm not sure that I did that on the other ones. So let me go back and look. Did not. I'm also going to want to format the button. Okay, so then let's go into one that has a formatted button, just because it is easier. And I'm not seeing one, so I'm going to pause while I manually key in the formatting for the button. All right, so what I did was I opened up Login, which had that formatted button. And I copied the code and modified it, and I'm actually going to copy this too. And get rid of form as P. So this little section, I'm going to put in the rest of them too. So I'm going to go over the top of form as P. And then, so the only thing I need to change here is this. Then I can get rid of this one. Copy. There's the button. Replace that. This is add entry. Then we can get rid of this. Save. Save. And new topic is probably going to be the same. So copy that. Yep. And then we can get rid of this. Let's save and cross our fingers and reload here. Add a new entry. That's why I say cross your fingers. Expecting an end block. All right, so let us see what I did. Block and button. I'm going to pause a sec. Well, I really don't see anything that isn't what it should be. So let me just save and reload. And that looks okay. Go here. Let me edit. Yep, let me pause here. I see what it is. So because we are pulling in Bootstrap form, we have to load Bootstrap. So let me go over here and make sure I've got that in here. Bootstrap. So those are all of my pages. All right. I'm just going to execute a save quickly, and we'll try this again. Ah, amazing how it works. All right, so add a new entry. Okay. And the register page we changed. Not that I'm going to do another registration, but that looks fine. Okay, so I believe everything is now working.